So my two chosen companies is Alaska Milk Corporation and Nestle Philippines Incorporation. So first, I will read the content of my presentation: history, tagline, mission, vision, core values, shared philosophy, awards, and HR practices. So, Alaska Milk Corporation, or AMC, commonly known as Alaska, stylized in all caps, is a Philippine dairy company headquartered in Makati. It was founded in 1972 by Wilfred Oitensu Sr. The company is a subsidiary of Dutch dairy cooperative Friesland Campina, which acquired control 98.1 of the company from the founding Oitensu family in 2012. And for the Nestle company begins in 1866 with the foundation of Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company. Henry Nestle develops a breakthrough food in 1867, and in 1905 his company merged with Anglo-Swiss to form what we know as the Nestle Group. Although Nestle products were already available in the Philippines as far back as 1895, it was not until 1911 when the Nestle and Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company was established in the country with its first sales office in Calirenta, Binanga. For the tagline, sa sustansya at lasa, wala ka rin tatalo sa Alaska. In English, nutrition and taste, nothing beats Alaska. For the Nestle, the good food, good life company. For vision, for the Alaska vision, to be the leading providers of affordable nutrition by offering families and children a wide range of delicious, high-quality dairy and dairy-based products. And for Nestle, we invest in everything we touch and handle, respected, trustworthy, food, nutrition, health, and wellness company. For the mission now, so Alaska indicated each of this: product development, quality, customer service, people, and sustainable growth. So I'll read first the product development. So we pledge to continue building the strengths and competitive attributes of our brands and develop their full product potential. Customer relationship is an integral part of building our business. We aim to provide our partners in the trade with the best and most efficient service. For the quality, the consumers will be served on their level of their satisfaction, so their products becomes our final judge and jury. For the people, we recognize that our people, the Alaska Milk Team members, are one of our most important assets, and we are committed to promote their safety and welfare. For sustainable growth that creates value for our stakeholders is paramount. We will deploy our resources and investment opportunities that are within our core competence. And for the Nestle mission, Nestle is dedicated to providing the best food to people throughout their day, throughout their lives, and throughout the world. For their core values, Nestle respect is a special and powerful meaning. It has a huge impact on the way we work and run our business. For Alaska, respect for people is the most valuable asset of the organization. Integrity is the foundation of trust, passion of excellence, teamwork, and community. For their shared philosophy, unlocking the power of faith to enhance quality of life for everyone today, and for generations to come, that is our purpose. And for Alaska Milk Corporation's value commitment to serving nutrition to every Filipino across all stages and occasions of their lives. So these are the products of Alaska known as like ready-to-drink milk, fish milk, evaporada, all-purpose cream chop, and also these are the products of Nestle. So apil ang Milo, ang Nido, ang i-acquire sa nila ang Maggi, ang yes, Cerelac. So these are the awards of Alaska. So first na Excellence in Management and Leadership Development at the HR Excellence Awards in 2023. EMC was named Corporate Social Responsibility or CSR Company of the Year by the Asia CEO Awards last 11 October 2024. Top company-centric companies in Asia with the Asia Corporate Excellence and Sustainability Awards this year 2018. Top 3 finalists in the category of Social Sustainability and Prestigious Aerocham Sustainability Awards 2023, awarded with 2 regional awards for their corporate social responsibility programs or Alaska Ungaran, these are the HR practices of each company. So first, now, recruitment and selection of Alaska Milk Corporations. For the application process now, apply and upload your CV, interview and then assessment, and then after that, na final interview. If makapasar ka sa final interview, then na job offer. And then for the written online test, general, specific, and position exam, numerical reasoning test, and situational judgment test. And for the nesting, apply online, so screening and interviewing, determining the candidate and internship program, internship, review and evaluation program. And for the written online test, situational judgment test, numerical reasoning test, group exercise, and psychometric test. For the remuneration. So, Nestle now has a base salary, short-term bonus, long-term incentives, other benefits, and pension benefits. And for Alaska, base salary, bonus and incentive, healthcare benefits, retirement benefits, employee discounts, and training development opportunities. For the employee benefits, so sa Alaska, na sila traveling and subsistence expenses. Sa holiday, so even though holiday no, continue travel nilang mga benefits. Car allowance, health and wellness, and also location-specific opportunities. And for Alaska, insurance and health wellness, parental leave, retirement plans, and vacation leave. For training development, so Alaska has literacy training, Nestle apprenticeship program, local training, and international training, whether it's sa Philippines or other. Next is the Alaska seminar and training about basic husbandry, and dairy training and development program, national training program. And for their safety and health measures, so the state of Nestle now provide a safe workplace for our people, assess and reduce risks to prevent injuries or illnesses, create systems to help employees return to work safely, meet health, safety, and legal requirements, continuously monitor and set objectives to minimize injuries, and also develop systems for safe return to work after injury. And for Alaska, so safety is our first priority, continuous improvement, accident-free workplace, legal compliance, and environmental sustainability. So net profit sa 2023 na ako na. So Alaska Milk Corporation no, na sila net profit for 499 million. Then sa Nestle kay 93.95 billion. So mas dako ang Nestle because wala na sila nag-focus sa milk. Nagod sila yung mga beverages, mga mas dako ilang company kaysa sa Alaska. So these are the Alaska marketing mix. So promotion, television advertisement, television advertisement, so promotions, sponsorship, events, social media marketing. So core product ng sila milk, fresh powdered, dairy, best items, and liquor. For price, nagbuan sila competitive pricing strategy, penetration pricing for market share. And for place, wide distribution channels, supermarket, convenience store, online, and also nag-focus sila on rural areas specifically. And for the Nestle, no, television advertisement, social media ads, billboards, limited price sales officers, weather product, dairy products, chocolates, beverages, and prepared meals. And for their price, premium pricing, price skimming, and geographic pricing. And for their place, zero waste lifestyle, operates in 170 countries, sourcing carried out responsibly. So each company known na sila similarities and differences. So read first the similarities. So both are prominent players in the Philippine food and beverage industry. They produce a wide range of dairy products, including milk, yogurt, and other dairy-based beverages. Both companies have a significant presence in the Philippine market and are well-known household brands. What is the differences? Let's talk about ownership. So Alaska Milk Corporation is local company, while Nestle Corporation is subsidiary of Corporation's network in the Philippines. For the corporate structure, there may be differences in corporate governance, the management practices, and organizational structures between the two companies. So for the conclusion, Nestle Philippines Incorporation and Alaska Milk Corporation are prominent companies in the Philippine food and beverage sector. So Nestle offers a wide range of products, while Alaska Milk focuses on dairy. So both contributes significantly to the industry's development